In the name of God, the compassionate, the merciful, dear audience, dear people of India, in the early hours of June 22, 2025, the US and Zionist regime simultaneously and in a pre-planned manner attacked three Iran's peaceful nuclear centers in Fordow, Natanz, and Isfahan that were under full supervision of the International Atomic Energy. The United States and Zionist regime have committed a grave violation of the UN Charter, international law, and the NPT by attacking Iran's peaceful nuclear facilities. The aggressive US government and Zionist regime are held fully responsible for the extremely dangerous consequences of this grave crime. The US military assault on the peaceful nuclear facilities is a devastating blow to the international law in general and the nuclear non-proliferation regime in particular. This aggression will definitely entail everlasting consequences that may endanger the stability all across the region and beyond. Each and every member of the United Nations must be alarmed over these extremely dangerous, lawless, and criminal acts. As a founding member of the United Nations, Iran expects the UN and each of its responsible members to fulfill their responsibilities in this critical moment and condemn these blatant acts of aggression. Otherwise, no state would be immune to different sorts of violation of international law anymore. In accordance with the UN Charter and its provision allowing a legitimate response in self-defense, Iran reserves all options to defend its sovereignty, its interest, its national security, and its people. I hope that all independent states, all countries who have concern about the stability and security of international community will take efficient measures to condemn the aggression of United States and Zionist regime. Thank you all.